Hello, hello everyone. We are back with another day on the same routine we are doing every day. Today is 29th of July, the second last day of July. Today is a very big day for gold, and gold is about to do something very big move today because today is FOMC news, Federal Open Market. Uh, so that's why we are looking for some people say it's gonna be bullish, some people say it's gonna be bearish. We know nothing yet because the market's been consolidating. If you see on the daily chart, it's been consolidating, but the I don't know what's gonna happen. So we're gonna look for we're gonna okay. We are below 4,000 now. 399. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna do our analysis. Let's get into our analysis of the daily. Okay, thank you. Obviously it's reconnected now. Okay. Okay, yeah. Um, so we have a support down here, resistance down here somewhere, and we are going down a very big down 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So so we are going down. I'm gonna close this. Uh, and we're going down very bad. We had a support over here, which went down. It started going down. We have resistance somewhere over here. And we'll shift to the 30 minute. 30-minute is gonna look like something like this. Yeah, we broke below and closed, and the 30-minute just started going down. I did took a trade today, so that's why I'm not gonna trade again. So we're gonna shift to our 15 minute. 15 minute we have a resistance somewhere over here. The support was same, and we are just going. Oh, we are going down, bad down. Okay, yeah, we're falling. We're falling like rain. It shouldn't be going like this, but this is just the market is getting prepared for the fall or um, for the hike. We don't know yet. So the market in the moment, the market is running bad down. Okay, so let's see where we are, where we are. Yeah, we broke all the resistance and we are now somewhere. Yeah, somewhere over here. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, we're back on our last 10 days price. Yeah, it's 1 minute to go for 15 minutes. We know nothing yet. We know nothing yet where the market's gonna go. I heard that the market's gonna touch 38, 37. Nobody know that yet. But let's see what the market's gonna do. 30, 40. Yeah. So the market is running down. We can't trust anything at the moment. We can't trust anything. It's going down. It's going down. It's going heavily down. And if it comes here and create, because it is creating a lower low, lower low, lower low. It created a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it is create a new lower high, and then it will go down further. So market always follow its its pattern, and but at the moment we can't say anything because the market is very volatile at the moment. So that's why we are not gonna We're not gonna jump into any kind of trade or anything, and we're not gonna. Okay, so the trade we the trade we took in the morning was this trade. If you see, this was the trade. This was a small loss because I had somewhere uh, support down here, broke below, and it executed. I don't know what happened. If if I had it to one, I would have been closer in profits. But when it engulfed it and it was a very high time, it was in an Asia session, and in Asia session, we had support on 30 minute. On 30 minute, you see, uh, it closed here. So I started here. As it started going above the previous 30-minute candle, because on 4 hours, 4 hour, it was engulfing. It was engulfing, and that's why I had to take, and I took a buy over here, and it just started falling. So that's why um, it was a good trade. I won, uh, and now we are looking for, yeah, we will create some kind of resistance now, and then we will be looking for sell, I guess, because then the market is gonna fall more. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. If the market somehow creates some kind of resistance some over here, then I think so. I'll be looking for a trade, but I personally don't wanna jump into any kind of trade today because today is a FOMC news, and FOMC Forex Factory. Forex Factory, Forex Factory, Forex Factory. Okay, Trump on Iran. Going to let them keep talking. Will be hitting Iran hard. Yeah, because Trump spoke to Saudi, and Saudi is also in in the in this all crap. So that's why Trump is going to let them keep talking. Keep talking. Trump to Fox will be hitting Iran hard. The U.S. strikes will take place against Iran in response to attack on U.S. targets in Jordan. Trump, U.S. and Saudi strikes were coordinated with the Iraqi government. Yeah, so Saudi is now going to take action against Iran as per Trump says. Uh, so we are now focusing on this. Ooh, this is, you see, FOMC, no data. No data at all. Wow. What a, yeah. So 30, it was the same. So no change, and most of the people are saying that even today it's gonna be the same, but most of the people are talking about that market might hike. Okay, so yeah, we the predictions are 3.7, and actual we don't know. We'll have it on. Um, I'm in Qatar right now, so I'll be having that on 9 p.m. So it will be surprising for everyone. So yeah, if this candle engulfs the previous one and breaks the high of a previous candle, Because the 30 minutes is just 10 minutes away now. So yeah, it is engulfing the previous. And if we see on the 30 minute is creating some sort of support and stupid. Yeah, we're just coming back from this support, this whole support area. Now we're going back. If we create any sort of support over here and the next candle start breaking the high of this candle, it is a very good buy because it is coming from a support. But if it does not go above, just like this, like the one it did happen over here, it created some sort of resistance over here. If it creates a resistance over here, it will be a very good move. If it does not, probably the market's gonna go up. We don't know yet because the 4,000 is a psychological number and it is very very strong psychological number. If we look at daily or weekly, we are at a very strong support over here of November here. So yeah, let's see what happens now. 7 minutes, 7 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. 37 for 30 minute as well. If we create this sort of candle, the the morning star candle. Oh, let me hide my. Yeah, it is 36 minutes for 1 hour to close. If anyone had taken this sell, he would have been very lucky because he would have got almost 100 pips, 110 pips, which is very good, which is a dream of a trader every day. Every day, if he's getting 100 pips, ooh, he's rich. He's a richer. He is Richard. If a trader is getting 100 pips every day, he's a Richard. If somebody's Richard by the name, he might be getting 100 pips every day automatically. Uh-huh. Ooh la la. Mhm. Very, very bad. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and if it engulfs the previous candle, which is very likely to happen, and then it will. I think so. It will take the early buyers and early sellers, and now the market will go up, up and stuck. A few of my friends were in a trade over here in the buy. I was not. I don't know. Hey, I watch these. We have 4 minutes to go. To go. Oh, it is rejecting. 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 Yeah, so yeah, the market is rejecting a bit from here because it's lost 3 minutes to go, and let's see what the market's gonna do. Nobody knows. When support becomes resistance, markets do these kind of things. Nobody does it better. Water. You know where the market stopped? At just 4,000. Can you imagine how strong this this market is? How strong this level is. The level of 4,000. Dun, 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 dun. 1.5 minute. 1.5 minute. Let's see if this engulfs or not. I don't think it's gonna engulf. If it's gonna go down, it won't engulf. If it does engulf the previous 15-minute candle, we don't know. It might. It might not. Very bad. See? If it engulfs, lost 40 seconds. Um, since I started trading, I I I genuinely feel how much the time is important. The time is so important. Like, damn, there's no such thing as time, and you need to. Yeah, today I'm like you see, it did not engulf the previous candle. It did not. It might come down, and we have a support down here. And we have this is here, here. How much pips are these? How much pips are these? They're almost 230 pips. Two, 230? This was the support. I think so. The support is gonna be a resistance now, and it's just like this. I'm sleepy. I haven't slept since the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I haven't slept yet. It's like 5:30. It's 12 hours. I haven't slept. I need to sleep. That's why I'm yawning. So I'm sorry for that. Coming live was very important. It's just yeah, 27 minutes to see whether it's gonna create a support over here or not. I don't know. A 15-minute candle can give us confirmation. If it happens, it happens. You know what I want? I want this candle to create some sort of support or resistance. And then that resistance should be broken. Some people on 5 minute time frame, they'll be so happy. Wow, this is a resistance on 5 minute time frame. They're going on 5 minute time frame. They have to fight this, and this. Oh my god. 52 bit. Wow. I'm so sleepy. Feeling dizzy. It's every day I'm coming live and I'm not gonna change. Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't. That was my father, you know. He was asking me, "What are you doing?" And I told him that I'm doing live on YouTube, and he said, "Send me the link. I want to see what you're doing." And I'm just sending him now. Sending him now. Sending him now. Sending him now. Nobody's watching me now. 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 No. The market is falling. The market's falling. You see, like I said, you see, if you if you only just look at the candles, what the candles are doing, you will understand how the market is working. If you just pay a little attention to what the market is doing, you will understand what the market is doing. You know, properties, properties. Yeah, and I need this. You know, if this support became resistance, the market will fall. And the market falls, the market goes down from here to a very basic 38, 3700, 38, not 39, 3800. Yeah, it is falling, you know. It did not broke the high of the previous candle. That means the market isn't going to go up. It will go down. And if it breaks this this particular level, that will be very, very strong level broken, and it will fall from there. It's just 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to break, and you see it went up. It didn't cross the support level, which became the resistance. Now it starts coming down, and 30 minute is already down. But we don't know because if this candle does not, you see, a bigger body, a little smaller than the previous. Let's see how big this body was. This was 90 pips body, okay? How many pips do we have in this body? We have almost 66 pips. Bigger body, smaller body, and even smaller body. 31. It's losing its strength to go down. Candles are getting shorter. The moment the candles are getting shorter, that means it will create some sort of support. If the 30-minute creates some sort of support over here, that means that the market is going to go up from here. How amazing is that? I have I have a feeling that the market might go up from here. I don't know yet, but I have a feeling of that. If you have a feeling, you can't go with the feeling because market does not work on feeling. You need to be sure. You need to have your data. So at the moment, the market is very uncertain because we are having FOMC just after 4 hours. I think so. The market's gonna jump up. The market's gonna jump. Okay. Two and a half minutes left for this candle to close. And yeah, if this candle closes bearish, then we'll be looking for some sort of. Okay. Holy. Wow. On 5 minutes, you can see the market just tapped and it start going down. Oh, 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 oh. The last 1 minute. My God. My God.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. This candle just came a ladder down in the last few seconds. And four, three, two, one, and 80. Okay, sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Yeah. So what's gonna happen now is that the market is gonna consolidate until the FOMC data comes out because there's gonna be so much uncertainty in the market that nobody's gonna trade at the moment. The the way market's moving at the moment, it's most probably that we're gonna go up. This is my master account, and I have so many jewels of the trades over here. I'm still in a loss. How do you find that amazing? Don't you? Trade history? Nah, I don't need that. Oh my God. The spread is the spread is very good at the moment. Yeah, for gold, the spread is good. Yeah, I don't know whether you see or not, but I'm sick and tired of it. I have new leaves of my of my beautiful plant. Hi, buddy. It has new leaves. I like it. The old ones are dying. I don't care about that because eventually, yeah. So what's gonna happen now is that we have a very beautiful kind of support over here, or resistance over here. If this candle breaks the resistance, wow, we have range of 172 pips. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
yeah. This is something very, 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 very nice. Very, very, very. Yeah. In this last 15 minute of a 1 hour candle, I think so. Something's gonna happen. I think so. So we are narrowing down our market level on any side. If the market breaks, we are going to take a trade because I don't wanna I don't wanna go home without any trade. I travel all the way to the office from a very long distance. I don't wanna waste that. So it's a psychological level. Psychological level. Let's see what happens now. We have a support, we have a resistance. So the volatility is there. FOMC is gonna come. I think so. The market is getting prepared for the buy. I think so. This market will close above this, and this isn't. Wow, how beautiful would it be? How beautiful would this be? I got last 8.5 minutes for this candle to close 1 hour candle. If this 1 hour candle closes like this, we will eventually go up because the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour is way more extended. Stupid. Yeah, the 4 hour is way more extended than I expected it to be. You see, the market has been 342. So this is the agenda. This is the agenda. These 15 minutes will tell where the market's heading. Is it going down? Is it going up? If it does not, then it means the market is very uncertain at the moment. You can't predict the market. You can't predict the market. Market can't predict you. It's vice versa. And I think the market's gonna go up. Let's see what the 5 minute is doing. Yeah, the 5 minute is good. It is going up. I can just take a buy from here for half the lot, and half the lot I'll add it up over here, which is going to be very good, and I can have my stop loss below this candle or over here as well. What I can do is just 0.15. I can just, what the hell? That pop-up just missed my entry. I would have bought over here, but I'm not gonna buy here because I can't risk that much. I knew the market's gonna go up. I pressed buy, but it needed my confirmation. That stupid confirmation. Last 1 minute of the 5 minute candle, and we are going up. I want to take an entry somewhere over here that I can have my stop loss over here, and I have made a ton of money. But I'm not gonna enter now because this is stupidity. I missed my entry. Well, I'm gonna enter again if this market engulfs this one, because then I'll know that what the market's gonna do with 30 minutes. The 30 minutes, there's a 30-minute Prince green now. Oh my God, it will be so beautiful. Did you see? How many pips are these? Let the 15-minute handle. Yeah, that's how I can tell what the 15-minute or 1 hour is gonna go. But as per my knowledge, the market's gonna go up from here because it's a very strong support level of $4,000, and yeah. But I don't know what the market's gonna do. If the market's gonna stop or consolidate, you never know. So very uncertainty. Last 4 minutes, three and a half, you can say 4 minutes. For this candle to close, 1 hour candle to close, 30-minute candle to close, 15-minute candle to close, 5 minute candle. These 5 minutes are very, very important because there's a roadblock. You never know because this candle did broke the low of the previous candle. That means last 30 minutes. I want 15-minute engulfing. I can't jump. I can't break my rules. I can't trade without my rules. The market's gonna fluctuate a lot. It's gonna. You see, that's why I don't enter. That's why I didn't enter. That's why I didn't enter. That is so smart of me, Makaran. What are you doing, Makaran? Lost 2 minutes. Hmm. 4, 3, 2, 1. And 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Two sticking minute of this 1 hour. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Yay. We don't know. But as per my information, the market's gonna go up if 15 minutes gives us engulfing. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It just came back for the retest. If you see on the 1 minute, it just came back for the retest. It went up. It came back for the retest, and it's gonna go up. Last 1 minute, if this candle becomes engulfing for 15 minutes, then I'll be probably looking for a buy. Like last 1 minute. How amazing is that? It's gonna go up. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up. I can't enter at the moment because I know my rules and I'm not gonna break my rules unless until I'm not having an confirmation. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds of this. It sounds like I'm bidding, but it's gonna if this green candle is gonna engulf the previous candle, then it's a very high chance that we're gonna go up. We are gonna go up because uh, although it is engulfing, but the market is very uncertain. You see, it did not engulf. It did not engulf. How amazing is that? Yeah, 3 hours now left for FOMC news. The market is printing candles side by side. You can't predict anything at the moment because the Fed, the Fed chairman Rash is very, very strict about the rules, and he does not take anything blindly, and he does not l- let out anything. Wow, I didn't took a trade because I needed confirmation, and I didn't get a confirmation. I cannot take a trade, and this is 30 minute. 30 minute is losing the momentum of selling. You see a big candle, a small candle, even smaller candle. 30 minute is losing that, and this 15-minute candle is just printing side by side. So you never know what the 15 minute, 30 minutes gonna do. That the 30 minutes just printed its low, and yeah, it's gonna go up now. Yeah, I know maybe you're gonna go up, but I can't take a trade. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. I'm sure. I'm pretty sure. But ain't no way I'm gonna take a trade because that's against my rules. Rules is you get confirmation, you take a trade. You don't get a confirmation, you don't take a trade. The time volatility is so much, and before the news, uncertainty, market doesn't follow rules, nothing. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, it is what it is. This 30-minute didn't broke the high of the previous 30-minute, but you see the market is losing its momentum for sell. It's going for buys. I don't know, man. I don't. I genuinely don't know what the market's gonna do now. Although it is going to close above 5 minutes. Last 1 minute for this 1 minute candle to close above this 5 minutes. How many pips are these? Okay, $50. Stop. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know the 5 minute did not close above this resistance. How amazing is that? The 30 minute didn't even broke the high yet. If it breaks the high, how many pips? 120 pips. How many pips? 80 pips. If this candle stays like this and close, I'll take a buy. If it just pops up, I'm not gonna trade. I don't know why, but I'm feeling low right now. I want to take a trade. Still 6 minutes to go, and that's 5 minutes. this breaks above that, I think so it's not gonna give me any opportunity to take a trade. But if it stays like this, I will be very happy to take a buy trade. You never know. You okay. Yeah, the 30 minute is already up. 1 hour is up. 4 hour is currently holding. Yeah. We have 20 minutes for 30 minutes. We have 5 minutes for 15 minutes. So we don't know yet what's certainly happening. So this 5 minutes are just 30 minutes away, and then we'll have 55 minutes left for the 5 minute and 30-second left for the new candle. If this candle stays like this, I'll be very, very, very happy if it doesn't pops up. I don't know why the hell did I took a trade. Can't do that. Last 5 minutes for this candle to close, and I took a trade before that. I didn't control myself. This is such annoying stuff I just did to myself. How bad it is, and I just broke my own rule. And I want this candle to hit my stop loss so that I remember that I did a mistake. I want this to happen. I want this candle to hit my stop loss because I should wait for the confirmation. This is some stupidity thing I just did, and I want, yeah, hit my stop loss so that I remember next time that you wait for the confirmation. Hit my stop loss so that I know I have to wait for, yes, hit my stop loss, please. I did a stupid thing. Yes, please go on. Yes, hit my stop loss. I should have wait. I should have controlled myself. I should have seen what the market is going. I don't know why. I just I just clicked buy. This is something really, really stupid thing I just did. I broke my own rule, and I'm so feeling bad about it that I shouldn't. I just shouldn't break my rule for that. How bad it is that I just broke my. I want the market to hit my SL. because the buying momentum just died, and just 1 minute before that, I clicked buy. How amazing. Hit my stop loss. If I put my stop loss beneath this, I lose 190. If I keep my stop loss here, I lose 120. 120 is better than 190. Wow. Last 38 seconds and my stop loss will be hit in these 30 seconds. If not 30, then the next one. I'm pretty sure about that because the market just died here for the buys. Okay, I'll put my stop loss beneath the 15-minute candle because it just engulfed and it might go up. I shouldn't bad. On 30-minute, I was right. On 15, I don't know how bad I just did to my trade. I don't care what the market does now. I wanna if it does take my stop loss, it could because I did a stupid thing and I deserve to be taken out with a big loss because I had my yeah. Okay, this is how this is how bad it is that you don't wait. How market controls you, man. I'm feeling bad about. Let's stop discussing about this and let's focus on what we are going to have now. Are we going to create some sort of pullback towards my TP? Or are we gonna hit our stop loss? We don't know yet. We know nothing yet. We are currently at a $75 loss. Okay. Yeah, this is bad, you know. Let's see what the market's gonna do. Yeah. It smells bad. We are in a trade of buy and we have our stop loss beneath this candle. This is the low of the 15 minute and I guess that's enough. We might lose much and if it goes to my stop loss, I'll be learning a very big lesson for today. Let's not forget that because I should have waited. I should have seen what's coming. I should have, you know, yeah. If my stop loss have been there, I would have been taken out by now. But I just put my stop loss beneath the 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens now because it is at this resistance level. And if it takes my 15-minute SL, that means I'm out of the trade and I'll be closing. Sometimes it does feel like it's below this 15-minute candle. Even if I win um, this trade is not gonna be in my good books because I did not follow my rules. I did not ऐसा ज़्यादा नीचे लगाया नहीं नीचे नहीं लगाया मैंने ये 15 मिनट के नीचे लगाया यहाँ पे बाकी even like if this trade turns out to be a good trade or if I take TP if I hit TP still it's not gonna be in my good books and I don't think so it's gonna hit my TP. I think so it's gonna hit my SL because the market is very uncertain and if I hit my TP I am pretty sure that it's gonna break my it's gonna take my SL because I should have waited and let the market do this retracement and then take execute a buy over here. But I did not wait. I did not followed my rules and I want my candle to take my SL because I need to learn the message then. Then and only then I know that you should wait. You should see that what the market's gonna you see. I'm gonna my SL is gonna I'm gonna hit my SL. Okay, what happened? What happened to the market? It just went back. Wow. Well, इसको दो में डिवाइड कर दे ताकि ज्यादा लोग Okay, yeah. If this now takes the high of this candle, break the high of this candle, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up till here. And it did take a high. Eh, 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 Let me, yes, now we're gonna hit the TP. This is why I put my stop loss over here because if if the market is going to create an higher high and higher low, then it won't break this higher low. That means it's gonna go up. I'm just taking this trade to make a profit that I can withdraw. Only for that. Nothing more than that. I want this 5 minute candle to take out this whole area to close above this area. Only then I will have the confirmation that I'm going up. Yes, we are in the profit, and we are, if we go psychological and if we act psychological, you will be amazed how good your trades can turn out to be. Let's stay in the trade and let's see what this trade holds for us. We have our SL, we had our TP. This 5 minute candle should break and close above this area. And we have 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, how pathetic can this be? It just closed on this level. Wow. This is a very strong rejection area. I want this rejection area to be filled so that I have a confirmation that we are going up. I think so. We are going up, and let's see what happens now. I'm gonna trail my TP to here. Let's see what happens then. The volatility is there. The market is there. Yes, we are going up. We should break. Yes, we broke the high. We broke the high. We did not broke the high yet. We rejected it from here. I hope it closes a bit more up because the 30-minute candle is about to close in in 2 minutes. And let's see what these 2 minutes does to our trade. Yes, 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 yes. It's okay. Yeah, we are going up. 1 minute for this 5 minute candle to close, and you see how little this candle is. The 30 minute is just 45 seconds away. And if I trail my TP to this, because my stop loss is below this 30 minute and 15 minute. How amazing with a 10, oh, 20 second, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 10, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we traced a lot. If it goes to 200, I'll just, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Still in profit, should I want it to go higher? Did the 30 minute create a low wick and broke the high of the previous 30? No, nothing yet. We know nothing yet what this market is up to. It started going up. The 30 minute, we have created a support down here. We have resistance here. Let's see what this market does now. There should be volatility. There should be volume, not volatility. There should be volume in the market. Yes, this is the one I was talking about. No, this is the one I was talking about. We are in profit. Yes, we're in profit. And yeah, we are going up. But we have to break this resistance, this support. Nothing. Okay. 15 minute candle. Ah, here you go. If it goes up to 200, then I'll bring my stop loss to a break even. Yeah, then I'll do that. But before that, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna hold. I'm learning to hold my trades. Yeah, I'm learning to hold my trades because a friend of mine just said bro, you don't hold. I said, I will hold. Holy. You see, as for I know. We have still 10 minutes to go for this candle, and we are 40:11. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. 13 seconds. 10. 5 minutes. Candle is closing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. But I'll wait for the 15-minute. Yeah. I'll wait for the 15-minute. Because 15-minute is what I will be looking for. These roadblocks are very crucial. After these roadblocks, this is a very clean traffic. But okay, yes, we are in profits, but we are holding our trade. That's what we are learning. This 5 minute is very important because this 5 minute will tell us what we are going to see in the next 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, I know I can bring my stop loss to this level, although, but let's see. Yeah, holding, holding, holding. And I still think so. I made a mistake taking this trade, but if I'm in this trade, that's okay. Okay, 1.5 minutes left for this candle, 5 minute candle to close, but we're looking for 15 minutes. There is volatility, there is volume, Everything's happening. I think so. My camera just died because it's more than, yeah, an and a half hour. This, honestly, this is the worst time to take a trade, and I did take a trade. I should have closed the charts. I should have gone home, and I should have left it wherever it is. But everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Every single thing happens for a reason. You know, you never know what's coming for you. 'FMC is about to can. I'm in a trade before the FMC. How stupid I am. 30 minute escalating the low of this candle before 'There's no volume in the market at the moment. I don't know where the volume because of FMC. The people are waiting for FOMC. People stupid like me just take a trade before FOMC. Everyone will be waiting, and I just jumped in a trade. But it's okay. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. pretty bad. My camera is dying, and I'm still not fine. Yeah, yeah. I started. I'm in the profits again. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm in the profits again. Okay. Is it 20-second left? If this, how amazing is that? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. It turns out to be bullish. Bullish dodgy candle. Dodgy, dodgy. Lodgy, lodgy. Lodgy, lodgy. Okay. What else can happen? What else can happen? This is seriously getting on my nerves. This trade is getting on my nerves now because the, there should be volume and the volume is there. You see? No, there is no volume. The volume is not there because the FOM people are waiting for FOMC, and I am stupid enough to jump in and trade, and my setup was playing out good. What are the odds? What are the odds? What are the odds? Odds hard hit my TP. My camera's battery is down and it can die any moment. And so my trade. No. And so my trade can die at any moment as well. This freaking doji can you doji? OG. OG doji. Haji. Logi. What the odds can be. What the odds can be. What the what the odds can be. What the odds can be. I think so now the volatility is about to come. not the volume. Why do I say volatility all the time? The volume, I think, is about to come because 1 hour candle is about to close and my stop loss is there, my TP is there, and I need to pray the time the time is running. I have to pray as well. I think so. My camera will be dead by that time. Since I pray. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close the camera and I let the stream running and I'll pray and then I'll come back and what what will happen? Nothing. What will happen? Yeah, last 10 minutes. Yeah. We broke the high of the previous candle. Yes. And we closed above, creating higher highs, higher highs. Higher, higher, higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, higher highs. This is what? The game of truth. Oh, the volume is coming. Volume is coming. It will go up or no? I don't know. Will it go up? Will it go up? Will it go down? Will it go down? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Holy. I'm gonna trail my stop loss to low. Okay, not yet. Or should I? I trail my stop loss to this 15-minute low. And if we take 1 to 1, I am already 1 to 1. It should go up. I think so. It should go up. This is the last 7 minutes of the 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle is already very, very, very big. It is engulfing. Now the 4 hour is. This is a very big roadblock. The roadblocks are not even started yet. Oh my god, how pathetic it is. The roadblocks are not even started yet. Wow, wow, wow. This candle should close above. Yeah. I'm trading a trade. I'm holding the trade. 1809. Wow. Last 5 minutes. Not five. 5 minutes and 36 seconds. This is a low 30 minutes. Wow. It should go up, I guess. What happened in 5 minutes just closed like this? Okay. You know, the market is creating lower low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. So yeah, let's see what happens to this 1 hour candle, 30-minute candle. What will happen if this candle prints doji as well? Oh my God, this will be so bad, you know. Wow, it went all the way up and it came all the way. The rejections are so big. The 3 minutes. Wow, knock knock. Who's there? A pro player. Like last 4 minutes for this uh 15-minute and this 30-minute candle to close, and let's see how this candle play out to be. And I think so it is going down because the 30-minute just rejected a lot. Oh my God, how pity this would be if this going so much in profit and then closing bad. You know, this doji candle doesn't give you any idea what the trade is going to do. Last 2 minutes and it haven't broke its low. Yeah, if this breaks its low, that means it's going down. It's not gonna go up. Let's see what happens. Last 2 minutes. Yeah, very very frustrating trade. The most frustrating trade of my time. It went all the way up in the profits and it's now coming down to the last 2 minutes. How bad it is. Bad, 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 bad. Yeah, we can't do anything about this. The market tests your patience. The market tests your patience. Yeah, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down far more down than I expected it to be. This was a very strong support. It broke and now it's becoming a resistance. I could have closed over there, but the game is a game. Last 1 minute. Let's see if this 1 minute takes my stop loss or do not. Because I think so. If it doesn't, Whenever the volume is coming, I'm so afraid that it will take my stop loss. This 5 minute did not create an upper wick. It just created a lower wick. Higher high, higher low. Let's see. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 42, or 44, 43, 42. Why I skip counting? I skip the countings. Why do I skip countings? T T T T T T. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'll keep this as 30-minute stop loss. I'm not gonna go below this. No matter what happens, if this takes my stop loss, it takes it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't care. And I think it's gonna take my stop loss because on 15 minute it went and the volume died, and now the stop after the doji candle, the red candle started. Yeah, it's gonna take my stop loss. Yeah, it broke the low of previous 15-minute candle. Yeah, because it's let's see what happens. Yeah, I know what's gonna happen. I know what's gonna happen. My stop loss will be taken. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Come down, come down, come down. Although I was in profits, I didn't close. I wanted to hold, and this is my TP. This is my stop loss. Although if I would have done one to one, I would have closed one to one in the profits. But I don't care. I genuinely don't care now because yeah, I trailed my stop loss. It was before over here. Now it's here. Is I saved $100. 90 $100. Yeah, I saved $100. Yeah, my camera died. Low battery. Yeah, I know you stupid. I know you. I just put it on charging. Okay, I'm gonna go for prayer. And in the meanwhile, if my trade breaks, it takes my SL, takes my SL. If the trade takes my TP, takes my TP, and if it goes in profit, it goes in profit. So I'm gonna pray my Maghrib namaz. Okay, I'll be back. If somebody's watching, keep watching. Okay, my SL is going to be taken. The volume is coming for the cells. I don't know. I don't know. But That's fine. I'm going to offer my prayer, and all leave to Allah. Allah will decide whether this trade is going to be in profit or not. And I think so it's not. But hope for the best. Let's see what happens. Okay, after the prayer, I'll come back after the prayer. We have been up. Oh my god. Oh my god, really? It's been up. But how much we've been up? Like, oh, we've been up $200. We've been up $200. Okay, that's this is a big rejection. It should go up, man. It was good. I like this. This is this is probably amazing, man. This is so cool. We were up $200 and we're not back. Oh my God. I should oh no, this big rejection is bad. But the 15-minute candle's still open. I should close above, man. It's okay. It's okay. I would have kept it. Yeah, it is creating higher highs, higher low. It should go up and yeah, it rejected it from here. Yeah, that's bad. But this rejection is bad. This rejection is bad. Now 1 minute left for this candle. I might have closed at 200, but that's okay. That's okay. We are still uh in the trade. May Allah be pleased with us. Inshallah, if the God wills, we will hit our TP and we will be succeeded if Allah wills. Inshallah. Yeah, 44 seconds for this candle to close. Let's see whether this candle closes above this rejection, this resistance. Oh, no, 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 it's gonna come down. This is bad. Ah, this is a big rejection. 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. How big this solution can be. This is such a big rejection, man. Well, well, well. Ha, how big it is. How big it is. The rejection is so big. It engulfs the whole 5 minute candle. And I think so it's gonna take our stop loss. Yeah. Now I think so our stop loss will be taken. But we're still in the trade. We are still holding. We went up to this level. Yeah, this is not what I wanted. bad, 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 bad dog, bad dog. This rejection is so big. I think so. My SL will be hit. The market is gonna go up, but after taking my stop loss. Yes, I know that. Can you listen to me? Yeah. It went up to 200. Yeah, it is. It is frustrating. 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 You get me? You get me? You get me? You get me? Because this rejection is so big that I'm afraid now. But, but you know, this was a big candle with a big body. This is a big candle with a small body and a long rejection. I don't know what the hell is market doing right now. It's been 1.5 hours that I'm in the trade with this little profit, and yeah, let's see what happens. You know, I was not holding trade back then, but now I'm holding trades. I'm trying to build my confidence and build it in holding trades. That is much more beneficial for me, you know. This is good. I think so now I can trail my stop loss to my break even. I think so. Because I'm already 200. Yeah, yeah, I think so. Um, Yeah, I think so. Now I can bring my stop loss to break even. Yeah, if this candle breaks the high of this candle, I'll bring my stop loss to my break even. Mm. I'll bring my stop loss to my break even now. Yeah. Let me put my battery back on because the camera's battery was dead. But let's see. Yeah, but I'm back. Let's see. Yeah, last 5 minutes. This candle 5 minute did its job. Now I'm on break even. Whether I hit my TP or whether I hit nothing. And I hope I hit TP. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is me. I didn't like this trade at all, but I managed my risk and now I am at break even and my TP is halfway there. I'm halfway there to my TP. Let's see what happens. Let us see what happens. Okay. If this candle is going up to the skies, I'm very happy. I will be I will be cherished. 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 Yeah. Like anything else. I would be very, very happy. I would be very, very happy. Yes. Yeah. mm, This is all because of Allah Almighty. He's the one who gives me power. He's the one who I am I am at break even now. I am happy that I didn't hit my stop loss. I'm happy now. I am happy. 3 minutes for the 15-minute candle to close, and this 30-minute candle is also closing in 3 minutes, and we are up from this resistance, which we created a little bit, but we are happy that we are okay. Don't do this shit. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It should go up. It should hit my TP. Although I'm in break even, I don't care whether it is taking TP or should I close partials? Should I close partials? Should I close partials? True. I did close partials. I did close partials and I am in a break-even stage and I'm happy that I made this profit. I am a little bit up. Let's see whether this how much TP am I having? 136. Okay, I'm having 300, 136 and 260, which is fair enough. Uh, that's fine. That's for to me it's fine because I'm holding my trades. I'm holding and I am looking for the TPs I will get. Whoever is watching me, thumbs up to you, man. You came again. If you came again, if you came for the first time, look at my trades, man. Look at my trades. I'm 64 pips in profit. I took it took a very long time. It took it on previous hours. It's been 1.5 hour that I am in the trade and it hit my T. I think so. It will hit my TP because markets are telling me that my TP will be hit. But let's see what happens. Okay, now 40 seconds to go for this candle to close for 30 minutes. 70, yeah. Whoever is watching, man, say something because I want to know who's watching. You know, yeah, I did a break even. Yeah, I think so. It's gonna go up, up, all the way up. I can trace my profit till here. 130. I can bring my, or I will let it. I don't wanna. I don't wanna go in that thing that you snuck up on extra margins. It's been 2 hours that I'm doing my trade. What RR do you usually target? Man, I usually target 101, but a friend of mine just told me start holding your trades. You can go up to psychological levels still here. So that's why I'm holding. I closed it to 101 and I did break even, and now I'm waiting for the TP to hit. That's why I see. I'm at break even. If I hit stop loss, I'll be taking home few of the chunks I'm eating. Yeah, it is a good big candle move that shows us the volume. And just because the FOMC is coming and I think so FOMC is about to go by bullish, I can just erase my I can just take my TP to here, and let's see how many pips can we uh okay, yeah. Yeah, I can have my TP till here, which is which is not a bad thing, if the FOMC is coming, because I'm already in the buys and I'm on break even, and the FOMC is on just 1.5 hour left for FMC. If it hit, it will go skyrocket, man. It will go. A friend of mine was telling me that it will go up till here. Oh my God. Oh my God. If it goes, I'll make $1,000. I'm at break even. We're coming down from a support. The market is getting ready uh, ready to go up. I usually go for 1 to 1 hour, 1 to 1, 1:1 R. Yeah, 1 to 1 R. Har. My strategy is very simple, and that you see, I have no indicators. I have no stuff going on. Nothing. I don't have balloons. I don't have anything. No Fibonacci. No nothing. I just do price action. The market was telling me that okay, we are coming from a very strong psychological 4,000 level and it will go up, and now it is going up, you see? But I don't want to. I just got happy and I just put my TP way too up. Yeah, it shouldn't be. I can, I can place it to here, which is, I guess, I guess it is good TP, I shouldn't be getting more. Um, what do you get greedy about? Yeah, I was not having the greedy word in my mind. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, we are in profit. Anyone who was watching my stream, he left it. Go. My son used to say. My son says when he's angry with me, he used to say, "Go, Dada." Like, okay, I'm going. I'm going. This is such a good thing. And this is so good. I'm just gonna take a sip. Oh, this is so good. I didn't wanted to trade today because I took a trade yesterday in the other account, but in this account I had my setup, I had everything. That's why I took a trade. Now we are filling that gap. Uh, 15 minutes. Okay, yeah. I'll be just keeping my profit till here. Yeah, I don't want to get greedy. I don't want to get greedy at all. I'm at break even. uh, Wow. We're still in a trade, and it's getting late. 1 to 1. Although I did have 1 to 1. I should, I am having this. Yeah, the 30 minute. Yeah, 15 minute. Yeah. Although this trade was against my rules, still I held it according to, yeah, it's going up. It's going up. And 15 minutes, 7 minutes to go for this 15-minute candle to close. And yeah, it is really nice that I'm having 83 pips running at the moment. And yeah, 130, 142, 70. And that'll be a good total for today. Yeah. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way. Okay, if you see 30 minute, the 30 minute is not breaking its low. The 30 minute, as uh, when we start from this, it started to go up, 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 and this is why the 30-minute low is very important if you're taking a trade on price action the way I do. If you're taking a trade like that, uh, do you have videos on the channel that explain your strategy or the kind of playbooks setups you take? You know what I'm thinking, to make a video and post it on my channel, YouTube channel, so that anyone can see how I trade. I think so. I'll be making a video in which I explain how I take a trade. And if I don't know, you can subscribe. You know, you can just subscribe to my channel, and in the future, you okay. I don't want to say anything bad to my camera, but the battery dies a lot. Okay, so you can just uh, subscribe to my channel, and in the future I'll be posting a video of me explaining how I trade, and from there you can understand my strategy. But I can just explain you in a very very quick way over here. What I do is that if you're listening, can you give me any clue that you're still here so that I can tell you? You can. Okay. I don't wanna explain to ghosts. I just want to know that if you're here or no. Give me a sign that somebody's there. Yeah, you know. Yes, I'm okay. Thanks for that. Okay, okay. I'll explain you in a very quick way. First of all, we open the charts. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, what we will do. I'm whenever I'm opening the charts every day, and based on my strategy, this only works on a higher time frame, like not higher time frame, the high volume time, like Asia Open, London Open, New York Open, London Close. That those are the times when my strategy mostly works, because I need a volume to trade. So what I do, I open the charts and I see that okay, the market is consolidating from many days. For past 3 days, it's coming down. It's coming to a support level. What I do, I mark my support somewhere over here. You see, I mark my support, and then I'll shift it to 4 hour, and I'll see that okay, my 4 hour had the recent support over here. Okay, that's great. I have a support. I will narrow down. My support is here and my resistance is somewhere. There is a resistance over here and there is a resistance over here. So what I will do, I will just mark my resistance because this is more better, you know. So what I will do, then I will narrow it down to 1 hour. 1 hour will jump into 1 hour, and yeah, you see, we had a support down here on 1 hour, and we have a resistance down here on 1 hour. You see, this is a range. We are now starting to form a range, and we'll narrow it down to 30 minutes. We'll go to down. Yeah, this is 30 minutes. And this is the most recent support we had. So this is, you see, and then we'll jump to 15 minute. Yeah, you see 15 minutes support is there. Oh no, no, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, I just moved my stop loss. Sorry. Okay, you see our support is there and our resistance is there. So what I will wait for any candle, like and when I tr started the trade, I had my resistance somewhere over here. So this candle, this particular candle, if this candle just broke b above this resistance and closed above, I could have executed the trade there, but there was there was a bad thing in me, which which made me press my trade away. Although I would have taken a trade over here because it broke above, and then if the next candle, the candle which broke above and candle closed above this resistance, will wait for the next candle to start and wick down. When it wick down and come back, and you see starts changing its color from red to green, and then boom, we take a trade over there. We place our SL over there, and from here we'll go to 1 to 1. We'll go to 1 to 1 risk to reward, and you see if I would have taken a trade over here, this is stop loss almost. Okay, sorry. Uh, okay, stop loss would be 36 pips. Okay, and from here, 36 pips are just here. You'll hit your prop your whatever it is, whatever the damn thing is. You'll hit your profit just in one 15-minute candle. If not, you let it run. This is how 1 to 1 risk to reward works for me. And it is a perfect strategy. I don't use any freaking uh, indicators or balloons or anything. I don't care about that, man. You follow the price, you follow whatever it is. This is how I trade, and it is so simple. It takes. I was I was not profitable for like 1.5 years. Now I am proud to be profitable. You know, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I'm profitable. You see? You see? Yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah, yeah. So this is how I hope you understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me at right at the moment because I'd love to tell what I know because as much as I know, I want others to know as well. You can follow my strategy and you can be profitable. My camera is dead. You can't see me. You can't see me. My time is now. Yeah, I'm John Cena at the moment. Yeah, yeah. You see? I just noticed that it is a psychological level. We rejected from here. One, two, three, four times we rejected. And then we broke above. And then we take it buy. And then we are now in profits. I can close it now, but I want this TP to be taken. Any questions, Klaus? I'm just joking. Don't mind, okay? Okay. And this candle, the first, I feel so happy when the candle starts and starts printing the low of the 15-minute candle first rather than printing the high of the candle 15 minutes first. If it creates the 15 minutes first and then it creates the high, that means it's going to go up. It is retracing and then it's going to go up. You see, it is not breaking the low of this 15 minute. And if it does, it can. But if it takes if it takes the high of this candle, that means they are going up, 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 up. This is how the market works as for my information. Thanks, man. I will be looking forward to the video tutorial. Yeah, if you subscribe, you subscribe, I'll be posting a video about what my strategy is because I was just I just had a feeling that I should post a video in which I explain my strategy, which is very simple and you don't need any you know expensive indicators or anything. Nothing. You just need to have a wise vision of your trade, and that's it, man. You'll be profitable. You see, 15-minute first it created low, now it's creating the high. 15-minute candle, it started and it just started going down. It will create low and then it will create the high. Now, I think so. If it breaks the high of this current candle, of the previous candle, I am very likely to hit my TP. You see, it did not break the low. If it does, it does. You're welcome. And you see these roadblocks, and whenever you want to take a trade, you want to see that it is a clean traffic on the left hand side. This trading, my strategy is like a road crossing, zebra crossing. You see on your left side whether is there any car coming or not. Is there any candle that is stopping like this resistance? You have this whole, clear, clean vision. We have 1 hour left for the. If the market's gonna go bullish, I can just trail my profit. Oh my God, you have no idea how much I can just trail to. I just can trail to, I can just trail to this. I don't care. This is easy enough, Whimsy. This is easy. Let's see how many dollars I'm getting in that. 380, 4, 400 pips. Yeah, 600 pips. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to it. I don't wanna, I don't wanna be greedy about my trading. You see, it created the low. Now it's creating the high, and now we are going up. And see how happy it is, how happy my candle is. What I can do is that I can just put my stop loss below these candles now. Yeah, my stop loss goes below these candles now. Yeah, this is how dynamic work. Dynamic, dynamic. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna hit my TP. Although my camera is not working, you can still feel the happiness and joy and me. Yeah, yes, yeah. My name's Jeff. Yes, we're going up. We are going up, 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 up. I think so. It should take my TP in this candle. So this is enough now. Yeah, yeah. The volume is there. Yeah. This is what I was saying. This is what I was saying. This is what I was saying. I should take my TP. Should I close or should I let it run? Should I close or should I let it run? I'll let it hit my TP. I let it hit my TP. I let it hit my TP. Ah, come on. You should be taking. You should be hitting my TP now. Now, in any second, you should hit my TP now. You shouldn't be rejecting from here because there's 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Come on, me. 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 Hit my TP and I'll close this stream. For everyone who's joined and came and went and came and went and came and went and came and went and came and went. Came and went and came and went and came and went and came and went, came and went. Come on, man. Hit my TP, man. Ready? One, two, three. 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 And yeah. This is how this is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is I can't show my fingers to the camera because the freaking camera is off, but peace out. Peace out. Pichu, 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 pichu. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I'm happy, man. I'm so happy at right now. I know this market's gonna go up. And I'm happy. Thank you so much, Gaudi FX. Thank you so much. You ask any question, I answered it. Thank you so much. You can't see my face. You already saw it. I'm happy now. I was worried at the back. In the back. Oh my God! Just look at this. Ooh, ooh, my God. Okay. Thank you so much for joining in. See you tomorrow. I'm done for the trades for today. You see how high, high, how high, high, how. Forget it. I took my share. Everything is fair. Uh, and I'm happy that I took what I can. Thank you so much for joining in. See you tomorrow with another good trade, with another good setup. I hope the God helps us. Allah helps us. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. See you. Bye. I